Welcome to this tutorial on how to open the settings in Google Chrome on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Today, we will walk through the simple steps to access the settings menu, so you can customize your browsing experience. First, let's start by opening the Chrome browser. If you haven't already, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-click it to launch the application. Once Chrome is up and running, you're ready for the next step. Now that you have Chrome open, look towards the top right corner of the browser window. Here, you'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is known as the More menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. In this drop-down menu, scroll down until you find the Settings option. It should be near the bottom of the list. Once you see it, click on Settings. This action will take you directly to the Settings page, where you can adjust various preferences related to your browsing experience. On the Settings page, you will find a range of options including privacy settings, appearance adjustments, and more. Feel free to explore these options to tailor Chrome to your liking. Whether you're looking to manage your passwords, adjust your privacy settings, or change how Chrome looks, everything is accessible from this central hub. To summarize, here are the steps we covered. 1. Open the Chrome browser on your PC. 2. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the browser. 3. Scroll down and select Settings. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily navigate to Chrome's settings and make any necessary adjustments. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Enjoy exploring all that Google Chrome has to offer.